Smooth is the center name of the new CLS. Painted an eye-getting shade of metallic red with a rich cream cowhide lodge, the outstanding Mercedes Vision CLS Idea Auto disclosed at the 2003 Frankfurt International Motor Show created a significant buzz. Aside from appearing the four-entryway car idea, the CLS scored focuses for Mercedes by promising that this dazzling auto would influence it to creation to generally unaltered. Obviously, when the Creation Auto was appeared at New York in 2004, forthcoming purchasers joined on the spot. In the vicinity of 2004 and 2017, the first and second era CLS sold more than 375,000 duplicates, major number for a specialty showcase display. Generally, the CLS depends on the E-Class stage and uses the same mechanicals separated from an additionally wearing form of the undercarriage. Be that as it may, things have been moving quickly at Mercedes over the most recent couple of years, with a move towards more noteworthy jolt in the reception of fractional 48 volts frameworks. Initially found in the amended S-Class in 2017, the third-era CLS debuts with numerous new highlights that the E-Class will just get when it gets its facelift. Late 1 year from now, the third-era CLS is a much smoother auto to take a gander at than its forerunner, which was by chance composed at Mercedes Advanced Design Center in California. The Gen 2 auto had significantly more going on outwardly than the first from 2004, and was maybe a bit as well fretful, searching for a few. This most recent auto takes after Gordon Wagoner's sexy immaculateness way, by expelling however many lines as could reasonably be expected, depending more on shape, extent and fine itemizing. For impact, one favorable position of this is diminished surface drag, and the new CLS has a class driving drag coefficient of only 0.26. The planning of the press drive occasion just before the Geneva Motor Show was to such an extent that the new M264 turbocharged four-chamber fuel engine that replaces the current M274 unit had not yet finished its homologation testing. Along these lines, while we had 25 six-chamber gas and diesel test autos accessible, just 2 four-barrel autos were nearby. Both wore the discretionary AMG styling bundle, yet with no model assignment, and just those sufficiently ready to acknowledge they were there got the opportunity to drive them. The four-chamber gas model will be known as the CLS 350.